Alright guys, welcome to another video. I just quickly want to give my thoughts on Bitcoin here. Past few days have been pretty boring. I haven't taken any trades, okay, since yeah, things simply haven't been clear to me. So then you better stay out of the markets and just take it easy, okay? So I'm just gonna quickly explain what I'm seeing here, alright? So um, yesterday we swept this high over here, but we didn't see any follow through. Okay, this sort of SFP got bought up pretty quickly, and we didn't see any follow through to the downside. All right, so that is not something bearish. So that's why, as you might have seen on Twitter, I am still waiting for another sweep of the highs. Okay. Um, but as you can see, the next draw on liquidity is cleanly to the downside, in my opinion. Okay, we have these clean highs, clean lows, sorry, over here, clean liquidity here. All right, so I think the next major move is gonna be to the downside, but I want to see another sweep of the highs first before taking any trades, and that's simply because shorting here is a very low probability trade, in my opinion, because if we would dump to these lows from this area, from the 7.7k area, then I feel like we would have already done it from this sweep of the highs. Okay, so that's why I'm waiting for one more sweep of these highs, okay, into this supply area over here. Okay, as you can see, we have some room left, yeah, to stop out more early shorters and then to dump it after that. Okay, so this sort of supply area is the one I'm watching, and if we see a sweep of the highs here into there, doesn't matter how high, but then if we start rejecting, then that is a massive short, in my opinion, and we will violently dump. Okay, so yeah, I've posted that on Twitter too, this sort of pattern where we make a high and then consolidate, then sweep that high, but don't see any follow through, and then get another sweep of this high and then see the massive downside. Okay, so most people start shorting here, but price doesn't get any follow through. Okay, so then the bulls, or the bears, stop out the early shorters one more time on a sweep of this high. Okay, and then they violently dump it. So that's definitely gonna be a scenario that I'm watching here. Okay, as you have seen, I have an order to short around 7870 with my stop loss at 8100. As you can see now, that's just above this sort of supply area, and I feel like if we bump to 8.1, then we will squeeze a lot higher. Okay, and if we start slowly grinding up, then I will most likely cut the trade before we hit the stop loss. Okay, because that's not what you want to see here. What I want to see is a quick and a low volume pump into this supply area and a sweep of these highs. Okay, to take out all the shorters, and then a violent dump into here. Okay, and then the reaction here will be crucial, in my opinion. If we see something like this and we get quickly bought up and then we start consolidating here, then I could honestly see more upside going into the next few weeks. Okay, so if this yearly open that is around here and Monday high, if those hold and we start and we close above here and we start consolidating again, then I could definitely see us go towards 8.5Ks and this weekly mid-range around 8.8. Okay, but yeah, for now I really think we need a retest of the yearly and the yearly open and Monday high. Well, this is previous week's Monday high, by the way. Okay, so as you can see on the daily too, this doesn't look any healthy, in my opinion. I feel like we need a retrace here. Let me remove all of these. Okay, so yeah, this just looks like, I mean, this also reminds me, hold on, let me Okay, so whenever you see the wicks of the daily candles, okay, that never get swept, like we see here, the wicks are always higher. That that will definitely attract price, since there is a shit ton of liquidity, a lot of stops below these. As you can see here, that was the case too. We had this low, these equal lows, another low, right into resistance, and then this is what happened. Okay, we took them out and then started grinding up again from there. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see that too, a move into here, into key support. This area here is definitely one I'm gonna be watching. This sort of supply area, demand area, sorry, which lines up with the yearly open and Monday high. So if we sweep all of these lows in here and get a strong buyback, then I honestly could see this go way higher into here. All right, but for now, I mean, entering a trade here, the probability of your trade would be very low, in my opinion. Okay, because I mean, we swept a high, so you could say short this, but then I feel like they would have already dumped it. But longing here doesn't make any sense to me either, because I feel like we at least need a retest of this area. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm currently seeing. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time.